Have you ever wondered why some people earn six-figure salaries but still struggle financially, while others with average incomes quietly build real wealth? The difference usually isn't intelligence or luck, it's daily financial habits. Every small decision you make with your money creates a ripple effect that shapes your future. Buying things you don't truly need, ignoring your savings, or relying too much on credit might not seem like a big deal today, but over the years, these habits can quietly cost you thousands of dollars. The good news is that building wealth doesn't require winning the lottery or earning a massive paycheck. It starts with understanding how money actually works and making smarter decisions consistently. In this video, we'll explore 7 common money habits that silently hold millions of Americans back from financial freedom. And more importantly, the simple changes that can help you build a stronger financial future. By the end of this video, you may discover that one small habit you're changing today could have a bigger impact than any raise you'll ever receive. Let's get started.
Let's begin with the first habit: lifestyle inflation. Imagine you finally get a promotion at work. Your paycheck is bigger, and for a moment, it feels like you've made it. So you upgrade your car, move into a nicer apartment, start eating out more often, and subscribe to a few more streaming services. None of these decisions seem expensive on their own, but together, they quietly consume every extra dollar you earn. Before long, you're making more money than ever, yet your bank account looks exactly the same. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons higher income doesn't always lead to greater wealth. Instead of automatically increasing your spending when your income grows, consider increasing your savings and investments first. Even setting aside half of every raise before changing your lifestyle can make a huge difference over the next 10 or 20 years. Wealth isn't built by spending more, it's built by keeping more of what you earn.
The second habit that keeps many people from building wealth is paying yourself last. Think about what usually happens on payday. Your paycheck arrives, the rent or mortgage gets paid, utility bills come out, groceries are purchased, subscriptions renew automatically, and maybe you treat yourself to a few online purchases. By the end of the month, you hope there's something left to save, but often there isn't. The problem isn't always that you don't earn enough. It's that saving becomes the last priority instead of the first. Many financially successful people follow a different approach. They pay themselves first by automatically moving a portion of every paycheck into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even if it's only 5 or 10%, consistency matters far more than the amount. Over time, this simple habit creates a financial cushion, reduces stress, and helps your money grow without requiring constant willpower. Building wealth isn't about making perfect decisions every day. It's about creating a system that makes good decisions happen automatically.
The third habit is relying on credit card debt as a normal part of everyday life. Credit cards aren't inherently bad. In fact, when used responsibly, they can provide rewards, build credit history, and offer valuable consumer protections. The real problem begins when carrying a balance becomes a habit instead of an exception. Imagine buying a $100 item that eventually costs $130 or more because of interest charges. Multiply that by several purchases over months or even years, and it's easy to see how debt quietly grows. Many people focus only on the minimum payment, not realizing that this can significantly extend the repayment period and increase the total cost. A better approach is to use a credit card only for purchases you can afford to pay off when the statement arrives. That way, you enjoy the benefits of credit without letting interest work against you. Remember, the goal isn't to make debt a lifestyle. It's to make your money work for you instead of working for your debt.
The fourth habit is assuming that financial knowledge isn't important. Most of us spend years learning subjects like math, science, and history, but very few people are ever taught how to manage money, invest for retirement, understand taxes, or build long-term wealth. As a result, many adults make financial decisions based on guesswork or advice from social media rather than reliable information. The good news is that financial education has never been more accessible. Reading just one personal finance book, listening to a podcast during your commute, Or watching educational videos for a few minutes each week can completely change the way you think about money. The more you understand how budgeting, investing, and compound growth work, the more confident your financial decisions become. Knowledge doesn't make you wealthy overnight, but it helps you avoid expensive mistakes and recognize opportunities that others often miss. Investing in your financial education may be one of the highest return investments you'll ever make.
The fifth habit is spending money to impress people who probably aren't paying attention. It's easy to feel pressure to own the newest phone, wear expensive brands, drive a nicer car, or keep up with what you see on social media. But appearances can be misleading. Someone living a luxurious lifestyle may also be carrying significant debt, while someone driving an older car might be quietly building a strong investment portfolio. Wealth and looking wealthy are not the same thing. One is built through smart financial decisions, while the other is often funded by unnecessary spending. Before making any major purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Am I buying this because it adds real value to my life, or because I want other people to notice it? That single question can prevent countless impulse purchases. The people who achieve long-term financial freedom usually focus less on impressing others and more on creating stability, flexibility, and opportunities for their future. Real wealth is measured by financial security, not by appearances.
The sixth habit is living without an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and unfortunately, not all of them are good. A car breaks down, a medical bill arrives unexpectedly, your hours at work get reduced, or an appliance suddenly stops working. These situations are stressful enough on their own, but without emergency savings, they often lead to credit card debt or personal loans that take months or even years to repay. An emergency fund isn't meant for vacations or shopping. It's your financial safety net when life doesn't go according to plan. The good news is that you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Even saving a small amount from every paycheck can gradually build a cushion that gives you more confidence and peace of mind. Financial security isn't about predicting every problem you'll face. It's about being prepared when those problems eventually appear. Having money set aside for emergencies can turn a financial crisis into nothing more than a temporary inconvenience.
The seventh and final habit is waiting for the perfect time to take control of your finances. Many people tell themselves they'll start saving when they get a raise, begin investing after they pay off every bill, or create a budget when life becomes less busy. The problem is that perfect timing rarely exists. Every month spent waiting is another month your money isn't working for you. Building wealth isn't about making one huge financial move. It's about taking small, consistent steps over a long period of time. Even setting aside $20 a week or making your first investment with a modest amount can be far more valuable than waiting years for the ideal moment. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, progress always beats perfection. You don't need to have everything figured out today. You simply need to take the first step. Your future financial success won't be determined by the day you planned to start. It will be determined by the day you actually did.
If there's one lesson to take away from today's video, it's this. Building wealth isn't about earning the highest salary or making one lucky investment. It's about the small financial decisions you make every single day. Avoiding lifestyle inflation, paying yourself first, using credit responsibly, continuing to learn about money, spending with intention, building an emergency fund, and starting today instead of waiting for the perfect moment can completely change your financial future over time. The best part is that you don't have to master all of these habits overnight. Start with just one, stay consistent, and let your progress build from there. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 habits do you think has the biggest impact on people's financial lives? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video on building wealth, smart investing, and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.